Hi, welcome to the Insight District. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this engine cover so that way you can clean underneath it or clean the cover itself, or any maintenance work that you need to do underneath. So it's pretty straightforward to remove this cover. All you need to do is apply a bit of pressure underneath, lift up. There's 3 clips on it. You lift up all 3 and away it comes. So when I pulled it out, I said 3 clips, but there's actually 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If any of the items come out, just screw them back into the location that they came out of. To put it back on, it's pretty straightforward. You just slide it towards the back, line up the 2 knobs at the back, and you bring it down and push into place. And that's all there is to it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching.